Hello, my name is Ana Isabel Betancourt Vanegas. In this video, I tell you about my last vacation. In my last vacation, I chose the opportunity of to take a drive at Panama City. I was there with my cousin and your family. They lived at town and I stayed in their home. I visit with they um, several places, some malls, beaches, so and Panama City. The most beautiful place for me I was the Panama City because it's a city very big and beautiful. The water in Panama country uh, is a little sunny and breezy, but every day is a very damp or humid. My recommendations for the people if try to Panama City is to use comfortable clothes. Visit the Panama Canal and visit Panama City. You should do in Panama if you to go if plan to you is go to Panama City, you should have your documents update. Pack the bags with time um, and buy the ticket with several days before. You shouldn't do in Panama um, wear a lot of clothes. Uh, you don't forget the money and forget the documents. You don't forget the documents. Uh, this was my video about my last vacation. Thank you for your attention. Bye.